Hi everyone, my name is Judy Mendoza and I'm a content creator here at BiteSize. Today, isa-spice up natin ang ating buhay. Gagawa tayo ng sarili nating chili oil na hindi nyo na kailangan mag-order online or sa grocery kasi we can do this in under 3 to 5 minutes. And best part is, i-prepare pa natin with some deep-fried crab balls. So, simulan na tayo! So, simulan na tayo sa ating first procedure. So, dito, magsa-start tayo with our chili garlic oil. Ang gagawin lang natin, on a medium-high heat, lalagay natin ang ating cooking oil. So, papainitan lang natin ito. We're gonna set it aside. Work on the rest of the ingredients for our chili garlic oil. So, sa isang bowl, lalagay natin ang ating cayenne pepper, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin, chili flakes, minced garlic, chicken powder, white sugar, and our sesame seeds. Ngayon, hahaluan na natin. Okay, ready na ang ating hot oil. Pwede na natin i-mix sa ating dry ingredients. Ayan, tapos na ang ating chili oil. 3 to 5 minutes lang as promised. Set it aside, let it cool at room temperature. And while it's cooling, we can work on our deep-fried crab balls. So for our deep-fried crab balls, all we have to do is, in our bowl, with our crab meat, lalagay natin ang ating calamansi juice, soy sauce, ang ating oil, seasoned with salt and pepper, at konting MSG. And next, ang ating garlic paste, red onions, some coriander leaves or cilantro, and finally, yung ating cornstarch. Now, we're gonna give this a good mix and make sure na talagang homogeneous talaga yung mixture natin. Then, we're gonna set it aside for 10 minutes. Okay, sa mga aspiring masahisas dyan, ayos to. Kasi kailangan well-oiled yung hands natin. Keeps the hands young. Tapos, i-roll lang natin ang ating crab mixture into a ball. And we're gonna set it aside. So para sa ating breading station, make sure may all-purpose flour tayo, beaten eggs at ang ating panko breadcrumbs. Isang kamay para sa dry ingredients at isang kamay para sa ating wet ingredients naman. Simulan na tayo! Okay, tapos na tayo mag-roll ng ating crab balls. It's time to deep fry. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-deep fry. It's time to start plating. So guys, ito na ang ating sobrang dali at sobrang sarap na deep-fried crab balls with our homemade chili garlic oil. So for more recipes that will spice up your life, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, BiteSized.ph. Now let's give this a try.